Congratulations on receiving your LivingWell Companion medical alert system. Setting it up is fast and easy without the need of a technician. In your package, you will find LivingWell Companion base unit with a power cable, your chosen LivingWell Companion pendant with or without fall detection, the setup guide, and the Getting Started guide. Set up your device in 3 easy steps. Place the base unit in the room where you spend most of your time and plug it into an outlet that is not controlled by a wall switch. We recommend a central location that has strong cellular coverage, such as a hallway, kitchen counter, or living room table. On the back of the unit, turn the power switch on. The status light will flash orange and will turn steady green once connected. If the status light flashes red, the wireless signal is not strong enough. Move the unit to a better location, press the reset button, and wait for the steady green light. To test the range of your pendant, press the mode button on the back of the base unit. You will hear
Range test mode.
Now, press and hold the pendant button while walking around your home. A tone indicates a strong connection to the base unit. If the tone stops, this indicates a poor area of connectivity. If you are unsatisfied with the connection, simply unplug, relocate the base unit, and repeat step 2. Once you are satisfied with your connection, press the reset button on the back of the base unit and you will hear
System ready.
To test your service, press and hold the pendant button for 3 seconds and wait to be greeted by a trained operator.
Hello, we received an alert from your device. Is everything okay?
Simply identify yourself and let them know.
I'm calling to test my service. Thank you.
You're all set. You're now connected to 24/7 emergency support whenever you need it.